Hey everyone, welcome aboard. We have another product from EVBASE. This is an under-screen tray. If you've wondered whether you could add additional space to your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y to store additional items, apart from the center console, look no further. You've got this EVBASE tray and it installs in seconds. It takes advantage of the connection between the screen and the center dashboard, and it literally slides in seconds. There you go. Now you have a fully functional tray with an anti-slip surface here. And the nice thing is it's got this nice LED accent light. You can change the pattern and the color using the center button. There's different patterns. And you may be wondering how this is powered. If you pull this off, you'll notice that there is a USB-C port on the back, and that recharges a rechargeable battery that stays in the unit. Again, just to demonstrate how easy it is to install this thing. Done. I think it complements the other LED elements from EVBASE, the USB hub, as well as the accent lights in the dashboard. So these three definitely add a level of color that is missing from the Model 3 and the Model Y from the factory. So let's go see how this looks like when we drive around in the evening. All right, so now that the tray is installed, we are driving around in the dark with the EVBASE storage tray for the first time. You can tell that the pattern is alternating every few seconds, but you can change that to different patterns. You may also notice that we're driving around an FSD supervised 12.3.6. This is also the first time that we downloaded it while we were installing the tray. So a couple firsts here, the EVBASE tray as well as the next version of FSD. We'll have a separate video on FSD, but just want to show you how this tray looks like in the evening. So if you like this tray, if you think it's going to be useful for your own vehicle, we have a link in the description below. If you use our code, you will get a percentage of the purchase price off for supporting our channel. And really appreciate you watching if you've made it this far in the video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.